So if only these containers could talk, huh? I mean, where do you think this thing has been in its life? It looks like it's like 30 years old. How many trips, how many stories does this container have to tell of its antics on ships bringing Chinese stuff to the States? It's a good question. We'll never know the answer. Getting a container delivered. See how this works out. All right, so we're getting the container delivered, as you can see. Let's check out what he's doing here. He's strapping this thing. Yellow, maybe not my color of choice, but what are you gonna do, right? That's the way it goes. Might need some paint. Looks like our one birch tree is acting up here. This is the delivery of the 40-foot shipping container. There's well, we get a lot of birch trees. Yeah. No, I don't care about that. Yeah. Yeah, he'll figure it out. If he's in four-wheel drive or not. Guy's pretty good. Tell me he's got about 3 more feet. Oh, maybe 3 more feet, Tim.
I was gonna put a 4-wheel.
Oh, you're doing that too? Really?
Yeah, I was only 2. A lot smoother than I thought.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Back in will hang over a little bit.
So you and I got to get ready to throw that post in there underneath the front here when he gets it, when he drops it off.
Tell him to wait.
Yeah, it'll slide off. He's gonna have to pull forward easily. Tell him that's probably good. What do you think, you want to pull forward maybe about a foot? Or you think
so
you know better than me?
we'd have to put this
On the post?
Yeah, because if not, the trailer's gonna catch it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, unless
Oh yeah, you can pull forward. Yeah, that's fine.
if you want to stop me. So,
when you get past that beam.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
You gotta slide this in before you drop it off.
Yeah, I'll pull out and then before it comes off, we'll get on.
So I'm gonna tell him when to stop here. That's good, that's good. I'm assuming you only got one chance at this.
I'll go up, and then if I I'll just pull up a little.
All right, cool. Now that's going to be pretty good. Got a little bit on the other side, but not much. I don't think it's going to be a problem.
Yeah, I'm just hoping it doesn't roll when I go to go. I think it'll be all right.
Do you still leave it winced when you go or no?
Say that again?
Do you still have it winched or no?
No, I thought the winch was never hooked up.
Oh, okay. I mean, that'll be all right. Like
Yeah,
that.
I'll pull up and then
Just go slow
as
and-
long as it stays, we'll be good to go. And then I'll pull out, and then if you want to stop me when the front end's like a little bit about to fall off, and then we'll slide that other piece of wood on.
Oh, okay. Cool. Perfect. Yeah, it's almost, I think so. That's almost like we planned it, right?
Luckily, it goes like this most of the time, but you always get them few times.
Yeah.
No. I don't know. I guess that's probably good, right?
20 by 40, huh?
Well, 40 by, well, it's 8 feet.
Yes.
Yeah, we're good.
I think the trailer might have grabbed it.
Oh. Oh, nice. No bodies from China in here or anything? We're good. So if only these containers could talk, huh? I mean, where do you think this thing has been in its life? It looks like it's like 30 years old. How many trips, how many stories does this container have to tell of its antics on ships bringing Chinese stuff to the States? It's a good question. We'll never know the answer. But there you go. The shipping containers installed.